Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to RAM Overload. Today I'm going to show you guys a cool tool to colorize any pictures. So I've been using this for quite a while now. I have used it in the past where, well, not this specific one, but I have been looking for tools that can colorize black and white photos in the past, and unfortunately this wasn't available back then. Back then it was more manual work and it was just really tedious. So I came across this website, palette.fm. Okay, colorize pictures, automatic, no sign up, and it's completely free. They do have a pricing. Let's just take a quick look at it. So if you're doing HD images, right, if you're subscribed or if you pay as you go, per HD image, regular images, 500 by 500 pixels, one free HD credit, no watermarks. You get the gist. You get a bunch of filters also. So the free tier should be good enough for everyone. Obviously, if you're doing more professional work, you might want to subscribe or go for the pay as you go option. So, let's just go back to the home page. All right, so you can see this is a Colorize. They have a photo over here. It'll colorize black and white photos. So they give you two examples that you can use over here. So let's just click one of them. It takes a little while for it to process the image, and then it has a bunch of different filters that you can use, and each filter kind of takes some time to process or to load, because it does need to process the image in the background. So this is the original black and white photo. The base palette, let's load like a bunch more filters, right? Let's just do some random ones. So just give it a couple seconds for them to load, and then we'll check them out. So warm glow, you can see over here, obviously the base palette is probably most likely what the real image was, right? And you can make the image pop more or add more colors, lighting, make it more vivid or warm based off these different filters. These are just filters where like even current times where every camera has their own filters and stuff. So if you just want to go with the true authentic image, most likely the base palette is the one. All right, let's look at a couple more filters. You can tell it does a really good job, using AI behind in the back scenes, where it detects basically what the image exactly is, or what in the image it is, and then based off, different coloring techniques, it can kind of detect, okay, so if I remove all the color from this thing over here, this item over here, what color would it most likely become? So yeah, so it was like a light blue or something. But obviously, it's not 100%. This is as close as we can probably get as for now, right? So it's really cool. We can check out another image of this girl over here. Let's check out their base palette as well, and let's load a couple more filters with it and test those out. So back to the base image, you can see black and white. Can't really tell what, just from the human eye, you really can't tell what the colors are going to be. But then once we go over here, you can be like, okay, yeah, that's most likely probably the colors, that it really looks like it would have been that color, right? But yeah, this is just something cool that you guys can check out yourself if you need to make any image colorized. And this is definitely the first place that I would tell you guys to look at. It's completely free. It's on the web. You can try it anywhere. Don't need to download or sign up or anything. So yeah, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll leave a link to this in the description below, so make sure to check it out. Other than that, peace out.